Hi guys, it's Robert with Koncept Garage. Today I just want to show you what we're doing. We're working on a clean out with a little bit of build out. Mostly we're focusing on the clean out on this job. So our client had a lot of trash that accumulated into the garage and was just a big pile on this side of the garage, and that was preventing her from being able to park both vehicles in here. The goal is to get rid of the majority of this stuff. We're gonna put up a couple wall shelves to get some stuff off the ground. So at the end of this job, she's gonna be able to get stuff on the shelves and bring 2 vehicles in here without it being super tight. Right now what we're doing is we got everything pulled out. We got it sorted into our rows here and our categories. And then we went ahead and pulled off all the stuff that we know is going to junk. It's in the junk pile. The next step is now gonna be to get the client out here. We're gonna do what we call our client sort. And we're gonna have them go through the stuff with us and decide if they're gonna junk or donate. When you see the final product on this garage, you're gonna see freshly painted walls. You're gonna see stuff on the shelves. Hopefully we're gonna get rid of about 75% of this volume and really turn this garage around.